guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now it's the winter 2024, so it's a high time for me to review my skincare secrets and my recommendation for the combination skin type. So if you have the same combination skin type as I do, then this video could be particularly helpful for you. Essentially, my secret is hydration, hydration, hydration. In the winter times when it's especially dry and cold, it's very crucial to keep it hydrated and supple all the time. So in this video, I'm going to first cover my skincare essentials and show you a tutorial of my skincare products and the massage methods. Lastly, I'm going to review each of the product, the pros and cons for you to assess the benefit-risk profile. So let's jump in. My winter cleanser is just this guy right here, the Curl Foaming Facial Wash, which can last approximately the whole winter season, 3 to 4 months. My winter skincare routine always started with the La Mer treatment lotion. So as you can see, I love this product so much, I almost complete the whole bottle. After the hydration step, my next one would be the skin essence or the serum. So I have two options here. I either go with La Prairie Skin Caviar Liquid Lift or the Giorgio Armani Crema Nera Concentrate. Now, my third step is towards the eye area. So I usually apply the eye essence followed by the eye cream. The eye essence, I always choose the La Prairie Skin Caviar Eye Complex, followed by either the Crema Nera eye cream or the Tarte Maracuja Brighter Sea Eye Treatment. My fourth step would be to apply the facial cream. So I have two favorites here. One is La Mer Soft Cream, or I will go with Giorgio Armani Crema Nera, the Supreme Reviving Cream. My last step of the facial skincare routine is the lip balm. So I have two options here again. One is the Jo Malone Vitamin E Lip Conditioner or the La Mer Lip Balm. And for my body treatment, I have these three favorites. So my go-to body lotion would be from Laura Mercier, this Amber Vanilla Serum Body Cream. And my hand cream would be also from Laura Mercier, and the same flavor, the Amber Vanilla, and this one is a Souffle Hand Cream. Foot cream here is just this regular one with the Miracle Food Repair Cream, and it's particular for the dry, cracked feet and heel. This Laura Mercier body cream is very useful to keep your body skin glowy and hydrated for at least 8 hours after application. But the only problem is that it's very expensive. So this size, like approximately 6 or 7 ounces of weight, is costing you $72 US, which in my opinion is very expensive. But the good thing is that it can last for 4 to 5 months, so it's pretty much covering your entire winter need. Another problem with this guy is that it has a very strong scent. So this vanilla amber scent is a little bit too intense in my opinion, even though I'm not against the scent or the fragrance of the body cream. But this one is still a little bit too intense. And again, this Laura Mercier hand cream is also a very perfect product to keep my hands soft and hydrated. But again, the problem here is that it's too expensive. This 1.5 ounce of weight is costing me $35 US. So I think this is probably one of the most expensive hand cream product that I have. Moving on to my facial skincare routine and my massage methods, I'm going to also provide my review for each of the products as we go. Step number 1 is the most important step to provide the hydration to set up the moisture foundation. And here I'm using the La Mer treatment lotion, and I believe I've reviewed this product a lot of the times in my other video. Basically, it's my 5-star all-time favorite as it provides the hydrating essence and it can be very long-lasting. Now, my second step is to apply the facial serum. Here I'm using the La Prairie Liquid Lift. And here I will rate this product 4-star out of 5, especially because it has the really good ingredients and the formula that can provide the lightweighted texture and very fast absorbing. But here, obviously, the cons is it's definitely overpriced. Considering this, Its listing price is $785 and for net content of 1.7 ounce of weight. So it's definitely more expensive than other skincare products. I gently massage my face for 10 seconds after application to make sure it's fully absorbed. Then my third step is to apply the eye serum and eye cream. And I'm using the La Prairie Eye Complex. And here I'm rating this product 4-star out of 5. The pros is very obvious. The texture again inherits this skin caviar series of the lightweighted and good ingredients. So it's always fast absorbed into the eye area. But here again, the cons is very obvious. It's overpriced for sure. And the retail price for this product is $230 for only 0.5 ounce. So it's definitely the most expensive eye serum I have. After gently massaging my eye area for 5 seconds, I'm going to apply the Crema Nera eye cream. This is from the Giorgio Armani. I'm rating this product only 3-star out of 5, simply because the texture-wise, it's very thick texture and condensed. So sometimes it's a little bit hard to scoop it out and apply towards my skin. Two tricks here. One trick is that I try to pat or massage towards my eye area in a counterclockwise motion, and I find it very helpful to soothe the fine line of my eye area. And the second trick here is that after massaging my eye area, I also try to soothe across my temporal area. So sometimes I find it's exert additional upper lifting force. Now my step number 4 is to apply the facial cream. Here I'm using the Armani Crema Nera serums of the reviving cream. And again, I'm rating this product 3-star out of 5, simply because of the heavy texture. Sometimes it's not very friendly to my acne prone skin. But don't get me wrong, I just want to be fair about this product. The Crema Nera and the La Prairie Skin Lift is probably the two of the skin care products that I recommend the most out of all the other anti-aging products, because these two products truly include the active ingredients that's working for the anti-aging purpose. You only have to make sure that you're using the right products just to fit your personalized skincare need. In this video today, I'm also showing you my facial massage technique to help optimize the absorption and the anti-aging effect. On top of my full face massage, I'm also pay attention to my neck area, my jawline, etc., so that it's not giving away my age secret. The only problem probably is that sometimes it's a little bit difficult to use or apply onto your skin, and also it's not very friendly for the acne prone type of skin. So to best utilize this type of cream, I just go ahead and use the oriental type of massaging technique, and to make sure that it's fully absorbed by both my face and neck area. So for my lip care, I generally use these two products as I mentioned in the previous part, but I do prefer this Jo Malone Vitamin E lip conditioner rather than this La Mer lip balm. The reason being that I noticed after using this La Mer a lot of times, then it started to give me the breakouts or the acne around my lip area. But then, you know, if I switch to this Jo Malone Vitamin E lip product, it doesn't generate the same issue. So I was thinking maybe for me or other people as like sensitive skin type as well as a combination skin type. Maybe there is some ingredients in this formula that causing the, I guess, the clogging of your pores around your lip area. So you need to use this product with caution. So that is the reason why I prefer this vitamin E lip balm rather than this La Mer. But don't get me wrong, this product generally is a good lip care product to keep it hydrated, but it's just probably not as friendly for those sensitive skin type, okay? Hope today's video is helpful and clear. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.